Hello everyone, and welcome back to Tech Kingo. Today, I'm excited to share my thoughts on the best electric nail drill machine. Whether you're a professional nail technician or a DIY nail enthusiast, this machine has a lot to offer. I've been testing it out for a while now, and I'm ready to break down all its features, pros, cons, and my final thoughts. So, let's get started. Maximum speed of 45,000 RPM. First up, let's talk about the maximum speed of 45,000 RPM. This nail drill is incredibly powerful, making it perfect for a variety of tasks like grinding, cutting, and polishing. Whether you're working on acrylic nails, gel nails, or natural nails, this machine can handle it all with ease. Plus, it's rechargeable and can work for up to 10 hours after just 2 hours of charging. That's a huge plus for professionals who need a reliable tool for long sessions. Low heat and low noise. Next, the Layov nail drill is designed with a brushless motor, aluminum alloy body, high-quality bearings, and an internal cooling system. This means it operates with low heat and low noise, which is a game changer if you're working for extended periods. You won't have to worry about overheating or disturbing others with loud noises. It's a smooth and quiet experience, making it ideal for both home and salon use. LCD Smart Screen. One of my favorite features is the LCD Smart Screen. This screen clearly displays the speed, rotation direction, and remaining battery life. It's super user-friendly and allows you to make precise adjustments on the fly. Whether you need to switch between forward and reverse rotation or check how much battery is left, the LCD screen makes it easy to operate the machine exactly how you need it. Multifunctional use. The Layov nail drill is truly multifunctional. It can be used for grinding, cutting, polishing, acrylic powder application, carving, and even removing gel nails, cuticles, and dead skin. The best part? It's designed to be gentle on your hands and nails, so you don't have to worry about hurting yourself during use. It's a versatile tool that covers all your nail care needs in one compact device. User-friendly controls. Let's not forget about the user-friendly controls. This machine comes with a rotary switch for power, speed adjustment, and direction control. It also has a pause button that lets you stop the function instantly, which is super handy if you need to take a quick break. The USB charging port even doubles as a mobile phone charger, and the Type-C grinder charging interface ensures fast and efficient charging. Plus, the belt clip makes it easy to carry and use on the go. Now, let's break down the pros of this nail drill. The 45,000 RPM speed is powerful and versatile for all nail care tasks. The low heat and low noise design ensures a comfortable and quiet experience. The LCD Smart Screen provides clear and easy-to-read information. It's multifunctional, making it a one-stop solution for all your nail needs. The user-friendly controls and belt clip add convenience and portability. Of course, no product is perfect, so here are a few cons to consider. The learning curve might be steep for beginners who are new to electric nail drills. While the LCD screen is helpful, it might be too small for some users to read easily. The price point might be a bit high for casual users, but it's worth the investment for professionals. Final thoughts. So, what's my final verdict on the Layov electric nail drill machine? I think it's an excellent choice for both professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts. Its powerful performance, low noise, and multifunctional design make it a standout tool in the world of nail care. While it might take some time to get used to all the features, the results are definitely worth it. If you're looking to upgrade your nail care game, this machine is a solid investment. That's it for today's review. If you're interested in the Layov electric nail drill machine, check out the link in the description for the latest price. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Kingo for more reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.